Back pain. After 30. These yoga poses. Fix it fast. Are you over 30 and starting to feel that annoying stiffness in your back? Maybe it's from sitting too long at work, lifting kids, or just the stress of daily life. You're not alone. Studies show that nearly 80% of women after 30 experience some form of back pain. But here's the good news. You can fix it, naturally, safely, and effectively, using just a yoga mat and 10 minutes a day. So, in this video, I'll show you 5 yoga poses that relieve back pain fast and strengthen your spine so the pain stays away. Let's get started. Why back pain gets worse. After 30, before we jump into the poses, let's understand why this happens. After 30, your body starts changing. Your muscles lose flexibility. Your posture may shift because of work stress, long sitting hours, or even hormonal changes. Your spine supports everything you do: walking, sitting, bending. And when it doesn't get enough movement, stiffness builds up. Add stress, lack of stretching, and weak core muscles. Boom! That's the perfect recipe for back pain. But yoga fixes all 3 at once. It strengthens weak muscles, increases flexibility, and reduces stress, both physical and emotional. All right, now that you know the why, let's move to the how. Yoga pose number 1, cat-cow stretch, Marjaryasana Miralasana. Let's begin with a gentle movement. The cat-cow pose. It's perfect for loosening a stiff spine and improving blood flow. How to do it? Get down on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale. Arch your back, lift your head and tailbone upward, cow pose. Exhale. Round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, cat pose. Repeat this 8 to 10 times slowly. Why it works. This move stretches your entire back, reduces stiffness, and lubricates your spine joints. If you sit all day, this is the best way to wake up your back. Yoga pose, number 2. Child's pose, Balasana. Next, we have the ultimate relaxation pose, child's pose. It gently stretches your lower back and hips while calming your mind. How to do it? From the tabletop position, sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Why it works? It releases tension in your lower back, especially if you've been standing or sitting for long hours. It's also great to do before bed. Helps you relax and sleep better. Yoga pose, number 3. Sphinx pose, Salamba Bhujangasana. Now, let's strengthen your lower back with the Sphinx pose. This gentle back bend opens your chest and strengthens the spine. How to do it? Lie flat on your stomach. Place your elbows under your shoulders and lift your upper body. Keep your pelvis grounded and look slightly forward. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Why it works? It stretches your lower back muscles and improves posture. If you work at a computer all day, this pose can help reverse that hunched position and ease back strain. Yoga pose number 4. Supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana. Next up, the supine twist. This is a powerful move to release tension from your lower back and spine. How to do it? Lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest. Drop both knees to one side while keeping your shoulders flat. Stretch your arms out and look in the opposite direction. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Why it works? It stretches your back muscles, massages your internal organs, and improves spinal mobility. If your back pain feels tight or locked, this pose will feel like heaven. Yoga pose number 5, bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Finally, let's activate your glutes and core with the bridge pose. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press your feet into the floor and lift your hips slowly upward. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then lower down. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Why it works. Weak glutes are one of the biggest causes of lower back pain. Bridge pose strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, giving your spine the support it needs. Breathe and stretch daily. These yoga poses work best when done consistently. Even 10 minutes a day can transform your posture and reduce pain dramatically. But don't forget your breathing. Take deep, slow breaths with every stretch. Breathing releases tension and helps your muscles relax more deeply. Also, drink water before and after your routine. Hydration keeps your muscles supple and prevents cramps. Lifestyle tips for a pain-free back. Along with yoga, make these small daily changes. Avoid sitting for long hours. Take short stretch breaks every 30 minutes. Sleep on a medium-firm mattress to support your spine. Stay active. Light walks or swimming can strengthen your back muscles. Maintain good posture. Keep your shoulders back and core slightly engaged. Remember, prevention is better than cure. So there you have it. 5 yoga poses that can fix back pain fast, especially if you're over 30. They're simple, gentle, and effective. No gym, no equipment, just your body and a little commitment. Start today, stay consistent, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. Your back will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more women's health tips and share this video with a friend who needs it.